Yo, what's up YouTubers? In this video I just want to show you how to create a crush zoom effect inside the Premiere Pro. Just like this. Yep. Stick around.
So guys, before we jump on this action, you have to shoot two different kinds of shoot. For myself, I made one from wide angle shot and medium shot. So you can use also medium shot and close-up or extreme close-up shot. You can use the different angles you want, but it must be two different kinds of clip. So now let's jump on in action and let me see how it is.
Yes guys, as I told you here in my timeline, I have two video clips. So the first one, it is a wide angle, and the second one, it is in a close-up. So now guys, let me click here on this second clip, and then you have to put it up on track above, and then so now let me come here at the end of this my first clip. So now I have to jump like 2 frames back forward, 1 2. Okay, so now and I have to pull this second one. Okay, so let me extend this timeline. Okay, so now click here on this second clip guys. Okay, so let me come up here on the effect control, and I have to reduce some opacity just like this in order to see the first one clip which is under of this first one. So now then let me go here on effect. I have to search effect called transform. Yeah, this transform. So now I have to drag this transform, and I have to drop it here on this first clip. Okay, so now I'm going to use position and scale. So I have to add the keyframe here where my blue line is, and let me jump like 5 frames backwards, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so then I have to add another keyframe. Okay, so now let me come forward that frame which is in the front, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so and I have to zoom, depends how my this second clip is. Okay, so and I have to align as well. Just like this guys. Okay, so now when I play guys, this is how my effect is. Okay, so on my second clip you see it is too bright, so now I have to click here on set for this opacity, and then I pray. This is how my clip it is. When this animation is too fast, I can increase the distance between those frames. Okay, just like these guys. Okay, so now and then after this I'm going to add some brightness in my animation. So now I have to unlock this use composition shutter angle, and I have to increase this shutter angle. Let me put it at 180. Okay, you see how my animation is. Or if you want, you can add more brightness like these guys. So now let me play and let me see how it is. Okay, yeah, this is cool guys. And after these guys, so I have to add some glitch on this second clip at the beginning. So now I can jump like 3 or 4 frames for this second clip, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then I have to cut it here. So now let me come here on this preset guys. Let me open up this preset guys. You can download these transitions. So I have different transition, color glitch, color zoom, film, flash, glitch, shake, and what. So now let me add this shake effect on my second clip. Okay, so now let me drag this one to just like this. Okay, so when I play guys, this is how my effect is going.
Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and drop your comment down below if you have any question. That is it.